We've once heard that money isn't everything, and if you go around looking for money, the less of it you will have. And I bet the person who told you this probably had a lot of money, or at least they did in my case. Back in the days, the way to build wealth and accumulate a lot of money was pretty straightforward. You were told to go to school, and if you got a college degree and landed a high-paying job, and if you worked at that job for a couple of years, you would eventually accumulate a lot of wealth and be financially free for the rest of your life. But that used to be the case. Nowadays, and in today's world, and in the society that we live in, it is no longer reliable to just depend on a job to sustain yourself in the long haul. During the crisis of 2020, a lot of people who found security in their jobs were left unemployed, and some were forced to work menial jobs just to make ends meet. According to some studies, due to inflation, money loses its value by about 2.5% on average every year. And for a country like ours that depends heavily on importation, that number is even higher. Due to exchange rates from border to border, giving people less and less power to purchase as the value of money goes down and the prices of goods skyrocket. Even if your money is somewhere in a savings account, newsflash, savings accounts in Nigeria only yield about 1.25% every year. And if the value of money drops by 2.5% every year, you are still losing money regardless. So I'm going to share with you in this video some ways that you can increase the amount of money that you're saving, and to be able to ensure that over the long run you still have as much purchasing power as you did this year. Budgeting. I'm very sure that a lot of people have heard about budgeting. If you've never heard about budgeting before, you don't know what it is. It's simply this idea or concept that you partition your money in a way that X amount of your money goes to this and X amount of your money goes to that. It's just a way of splitting up your money to know what percentage of your money goes to what, and it's just a way of tracking your money. I know the exact amount of money that you're spending on what. If you want me to do an extended video on budgeting, investing, and saving, leave a comment down below. I would definitely love to do it. I will do it eventually, but I just want to know if you guys are very interested, so let me know down below. Saving. There are a lot of ways to save your money. There are hundreds of ways to save your money. I'm not even going to go into detail about it, but saving money is one of the ways to actually ensure that you build wealth over time. If you see the people that have accumulated a lot of wealth in their lifetime, you will see that most of them really rely heavily on saving money, because when you save more money and you live below your means, over time that money compounds and you have a lot more money for you to do anything, to pay off debt, to satisfy your guilty pleasures, or invest or do things like that, yada yada yada. The last one is investing. Now, investing is very, very tricky for a lot of people because there are so many ways you can invest. You can invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, agriculture. There are so many ways to invest, and I am very privileged to have had my hands on some of these investment options. And I will do an investment series on this channel, so if you're excited about that, let me know down below in the description box. Let me know down below in the comment section, and definitely I will make the video. I really just want to know how many people are excited about that video, but I will make it eventually. It's definitely something that I would love to share with you guys, because I just want to empower more people and to educate more people about personal finance. I feel like not a lot of people, especially females, talk about personal finance, and I did not learn it from my parents, sadly. I learned most of the things that I know on my own and through trial and error, and I just want to make it a lot easier for you guys going into it so that you can know clear-cut what to do if this is your first time investing, saving, or budgeting. A little disclaimer, everything that I'm going to be sharing in all of my videos is personal advice, and this is what has worked for me personally. It's not professional advice because I am not a financial advisor. So take everything that I say with a grain of salt and do your own research. Don't take everything that I say cold turkey. Please and please do your own research. Alright, that is it for this video. I want you to remember that everything that I have shared in this video, although I didn't go too in-depth in it because the next couple of videos will explain everything that you need to know about saving, budgeting, and investing. But I want you to know that all of the tips that I will be sharing with you guys will only work if you do. And remember that the grass is greener where you water it. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. I put a lot of effort into my videos and I really will appreciate your support. Get me to 1,000 subscribers, and please like this video so that it reaches more people and the algorithm actually picks this up and gives it out to so much more people that need to hear about this. I am so sick of, hearing that a lot of people are in a financial hurdle or another, especially in Nigeria, because we have suffered a lot in this country, and I just want to do my part to help as many people as I can. So please support me and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like this type of videos. If you enjoy my videos, let me know. If there's any video specifically that you would like me to do, let me also know down below, and I'll be sure to make those videos for you. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video.